The NFL world is buzzing right now, and if you're a Las Vegas Raiders fan, you probably still haven't processed what just happened because this isn't just another off-season move. This feels like a complete power shift, the kind of bold, aggressive, win-now strategy that instantly turns a team from a question mark into a serious contender, and according to multiple reports and insider buzz, the Raiders have just pulled off something that no one saw coming, stacking their roster with 4 major SDAR level additions that could completely redefine their identity heading into the upcoming season, and fans across the league are reacting with a mix of shock, excitement, and honestly a little bit of fear because this version of the Raiders might finally be the one that lives up to all the hype. It all started quietly, almost too quietly, with whispers about front office aggression and a new mindset behind the scenes. But no one expected it to escalate this quickly. The Raiders weren't supposed to be the team dominating headlines, yet here we are. And what makes this even more interesting is the timing, because while other teams are cautiously building through the draft or making 1 or 2 key signings, the Raiders have gone all in, sending a clear message to the rest of the NFL that they are done waiting, done rebuilding, and ready to compete right now. And when you look at the names being linked or reportedly added, it becomes very clear that this isn't just hype. This is a calculated attempt to build a super team. The first major piece of this puzzle comes on the offensive side of the ball, where the Raiders have been searching for consistency and explosiveness for years. And now it looks like they may have finally found it, adding a dynamic playmaker who instantly changes how defenses have to prepare for them. This isn't just about talent. It's about fit, it's about creating mismatches. And it's about giving the quarterback weapons that can turn any play into a big moment. And when you pair that with the existing core already in place, suddenly this offense starts to look not just good, but potentially elite. But they didn't stop there, because if you're going to build a true contender, you can't ignore the trenches. And that's exactly where the second star addition comes in, reinforcing either the offensive or defensive line with a player who brings both production and leadership, someone who can dominate at the point of attack and set the tone physically. And this kind of move often goes underappreciated by casual fans, but within the league, it sends a strong signal, because games are still won in lost up front, and the Raiders clearly understand that, investing in a player who can anchor the line and elevate everyone around him. Then comes the third piece, and this is where things start to feel a little unreal, because now we're talking about adding another high-impact player, possibly on defense, someone who can create turnovers, apply pressure, or shut down opposing offenses in critical moments. And this is the kind of move that transforms a defense from average to dangerous, giving them the ability to not just react, but dictate. And when you combine that with an improved offense, you suddenly have a team that can control the tempo of games on both sides of the ball. And just when fans thought it couldn't get any crazier, the fourth star enters the picture, completing what many are already calling a super team build. And whether this player contributes through versatility, experience, or pure star power, the impact is undeniable, because depth matters, especially over a long NFL season, and having multiple elite-level contributors means you can withstand injuries, adjust strategies, and maintain a high level of performance week after week, and that's something the Raiders have struggled with in the past. Now naturally, with moves this big, there are going to be questions, and one of the biggest is how all of these pieces are going to fit together, because talent alone doesn't guarantee success, chemistry matters, coaching matters, and execution matters. But what makes this situation different is the sense of urgency coming from the organization. This doesn't feel like a long-term experiment. It feels like a team that expects to win immediately, and that mindset can be powerful if it's channeled correctly. Fans have taken to social media to express their reactions, and it's been a mix of disbelief and excitement. Some are calling it the best offseason in recent Raiders history, while others are cautiously optimistic, waiting to see how it all plays out on the field. Because Raiders fans have seen hype before, they've seen big names come and go, but this time feels different. This time there's a sense of structure behind the moves. A sense that everything is part of a larger plan rather than just isolated decisions. Analysts around the league are also starting to take notice, with some already projecting the Raiders as a potential playoff team, or even a dark horse contender. And while it's still early, it's hard to ignore the sheer amount of talent being assembled, because in the NFL, star power does matter, especially when it's balanced across different positions, and the Raiders seem to be building exactly that kind of balanced roster. Of course, with big moves come big expectations, and the pressure is now firmly on the coaching staff to make it all work, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how talented your roster is if you can't execute on game day, and that's going to be the real test for this team. Can they translate all of this potential into actual wins? Can they handle adversity? Can they stay healthy? And can they perform in the biggest moments? One of the most interesting aspects of this situation is how it changes the dynamic within their division, because the AFC West has already been one of the most competitive divisions in football, and now the Raiders are adding even more firepower to the mix, which means every divisional game is going to feel like a playoff matchup, and that kind of environment can either elevate a team or expose its weaknesses. So it's going to be fascinating to see how the Raiders handle that level of competition. There's also the question of leadership, because bringing in multiple star players means you need a strong locker room culture to keep everyone aligned, and that's where veteran presence becomes crucial, having players who understand the bigger picture, who can keep egos in check, and who can focus on the ultimate goal of winning. And if the Raiders can establish that kind of culture, then this roster has the potential to be something special. From a strategic standpoint, these moves suggest a shift in philosophy, a move away from rebuilding and toward immediate contention, and that's always a risky approach, but it can pay off in a big way if executed correctly, because windows in the NFL don't stay open forever, and when you have the opportunity to compete, sometimes you have to take bold risks, and that's exactly what the Raiders appear to be doing. Another factor to consider is how opponents are going to prepare for this new-look Raiders team, because when you have multiple star players, it becomes much harder for defenses to focus on just one threat. You can't double everyone, you can't shut down every option, and that creates opportunities across the board, and if the Raiders can exploit those opportunities, they could become one of the most dangerous offenses in the league. Defensively, the impact could be just as significant, because adding playmakers on that side of the ball means you can generate pressure, force turnovers, and control field position, all of which are key components of winning football, and if the defense can complement the offense effectively, this team could be very difficult to beat. As the season approaches, all eyes are going to be on the Raiders, not just from their own fans, but from the entire NFL community, because everyone wants to see if this bold experiment is going to work, everyone wants to see if this collection of talent can come together and perform at a high level, and that kind of attention brings both opportunity and pressure. In the end, what we're witnessing right now could be the beginning of a new era for the Raiders, a shift from inconsistency to contention, from potential to performance. And while there are still many questions to be answered, one thing is certain: the Raiders are no longer flying under the radar. They've made their move, they've built their roster, and now it's time to see if they can deliver on the field, because in the NFL, talk only gets you so far, and the real story is always written. And the lines on game day. And if this super team vision actually comes together the way the front office is hoping, then we might be looking at one of the biggest turnarounds in recent NFL history, a team that went from being overlooked to being feared, and that's why fans are in shock right now, because deep down, they know that something big might be coming, something that could change everything for the Raiders and maybe even the entire league.